You'll need to check that you have a radio code first before replacing this battery, so I'll show you a full step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Then lift this red cap on the positive to access the clamp nut. You don't have to remove the nuts completely. Now the bracket's held in place with two J-bolts, so loosen the nuts enough to unhook the J-bolts at the bottom. You'll need a specific size battery to fit here, so I'll share some info a bit later. For now, make sure the positive can reach and install the bracket. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. The positive can now be secured first. Open the clamp with a flat screwdriver to position it as low as possible on the battery post for a solid connection. Then lastly, connect the negative terminal using the same principle. This battery should be in the 50 amp hour range, and it is a bit narrow in width compared to most automotive batteries, so use these dimensions as a reference. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, but you will need a radio code which can be found in your owner's manual. Enter the 4-digit code with the buttons 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and store the code with a forward search button. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.